Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Website. So we're just having a look at a couple of settings and I'm just going to explain them on this demo website. And these are settings that Brilliant Directories have introduced in the last few weeks, but they're very valuable settings. And maybe you need some information about why you should apply these settings to your Brilliant Directory website. So first thing that you need to know is for every single member that joins your website, 3 pages are being created. For each individual member, 3 pages are being created. The first page is a profile page. The second page is a send message page. And the third page is a review page. Now, let me show you these pages. So let's just do a search on this website. And we'll just go into a listing. So we'll view this one. So for this person, this business, this member, there is a page here, the profile page. However, if you click on send message, you see that another page opens. Now, just to be 100% clear on this page has no SEO value at all. And yet it's readable by the search engines. If we go back to the listing and we click on write a review, this page has no value whatsoever to your website. And yet the search engines are able to search it and crawl it. So you for every member that you're creating 2 pages that hold no SEO value. And then at the end of it, what you're doing is you're questioning why you're struggling within Google Search Console. You know, when you're reading your results and you're seeing what's happened and you're seeing what Google's reading. If you've got 10,000 members, then from them 10,000 members, 30,000 pages have been created, but 20,000 of them, 30,000, have no value at all. What's Google going to do? Google is seeing duplicate content every time it's crawling the send message page for every single one of your members because it's the same content. And the same is happening every time Google is viewing or seeing the write a review. There is no value on these pages at all. So Brilliant Directories have introduced a setting to stop search engines crawling them. And by them continuing to crawl these buttons, I'm pretty sure that would be detrimental. Now, if you looked at one of our previous videos for local home services, what we did is when people were triggering the send message button, we opened the contact form in a modal. So we didn't use a form in the sidebar like this. We used these buttons, but we triggered the send message to open a modal so that the profile was still visible behind the modal, but the pop-up came up with the form. And therefore, there wasn't that need for that additional non-valuable, irrelevant page, which is what currently you have as default. And eventually we'll do the same with a write a review on local home services as well. So we'll get it so that when you click on it, you trigger a modal. However, if that's not what you want and you do want people to go to separate pages, why you would have a contact form on this, within the sidebar and have a send message button here, I don't know, because they both do the same thing. But if you did want to have the buttons and you wanted people to go to a separate page to send a message to that business or that service, then that's great. But what I would highly recommend you do is you trigger a setting that's going to stop search engines wasting their time going to pages that have no value or relevance to your website. They're not doing anything to your website. They're not giving it any additional credit or anything. If anything, I would say that by reading the send message page and the write a review page, they are going to be detrimental to your website, especially if you're going into the thousands with your members. So what I would do if I was you is I would go to the admin of the dashboard section within your admin, go to settings and advanced settings, and then I would turn on the no follow for that. So type in index, go to URL rules, and toggle this button on, no index review and connect pages, and that will stop search engines reading the contact us page and the review page. And I would do that as an urgency. If you haven't done it already, these are pages that are currently being read by search engines and are adding no value to your site. Furthermore, in addition to turning that on, let's go to the search results. So we're just going to go to the search results. I'm just going to click the breadcrumbs up here, and we're seeing that this page here is for United Kingdom. Now, if I want to custom this page and then I want to add some content that's relevant to the United Kingdom, then I can add that to this page. And that's fantastic. That is going to add SEO value. However, if you have 200 results for the United Kingdom, then you've got your hero, which is going to have your H1 and your H2 within it. And then you're going to have some content on this page, whether you're going to put it in a tab, whether you're going to have it above the search results or below the search results. You're going to have some content here. But this search page is only going to show you however many members you've asked the system to show on page load. So if you're using page numbers at the bottom of your search result, let's say we have 200 results for the United Kingdom, then if we set this to show 20 results on each page, the search engines are going to come in and they're going to read page 1, and we're going to see the hero section, all this unique content. But then what it's going to do is it's going to read page 2, and it's going to see the same title and the same content for page 2 of the search results. And then it's going to read page 3, and it goes on. So again, what you're doing is you're sending the search engine to read page 1, which is good, especially if you put your own content on the search results page. But you're also sending the search engine to read page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, etc. And the only things that have changed on them pages is potentially the search results. And if you've got your search results set to random anyway, then pages are never going to be the same. So if someone's flagged up by Google that it's found this business on page 3 of your site, when somebody clicks on the link and goes to look for page 3 and sees that it's Google's mentioning a business, the business likely isn't going to be there on page 3 anymore, especially if you set it to random or you set the search results to display in a certain way. So again, what I would highly recommend that you do is that you only get Google going in and reading the first page of the search results, the page with the content on, the header, the H1, the H2, and the content that is specific to that location. In this case, it's a United Kingdom. Again, with your category pages, you can turn your category pages into static pages. But the problem is with that is that page 2 also displays that static content that you've created. It doesn't change from page 1 to page 2. The only thing that's changing on page 2 is the listings. And if you've got them shuffling about or in random order or something like that, it's not going to add any value. So again, I would recommend that you go into your settings and you turn this setting on here as well. So you turn that on as well. And that will basically set it up so that Google or your search engines will go in and read page 1 only. And from page 2 and beyond, it won't read that. What you're doing by repetitively getting Google to go in, or the search engines to go in to crawl these pages that don't have any relevance, like the send message page, the review page, or page 2, 3, and 4 of a static page that you've turned static, whether that be a category page or a location page, is adding no value at all to your website. If anything, it's detrimental, because what you're doing is you're displaying duplicate content on page after page after page. So I would really recommend that you make use of these two settings. Brilliant Directories have just launched these settings in the last few weeks, and I would get them turned on. I hope you found this video useful, and we'll speak to you again soon.